Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and safe. Okay, I know it's 3 weeks I think. Yeah, I was working on a dataset. It's a local dataset from Algeria and it's from Ouedkniss. This time I collect all the datasets or all the ads of the websites. I will add the links of the code in GitHub, how do I collect the data and how I pre-process it. Then I will show you just a simple analysis or simple visualization. Yeah, just simple visualization. Okay, let's start. Okay, as we see here, we have Alger, Blida, Naba. Those are states in Algeria, and this is the number of ads by city. Like we see here in Algeria or in Algiers, the capital, there are about 45k. 45k, you see, of and Blida 3, and look, it's breakdown from 45 ads by in Algeria, in Algiers, and breakdown till 3. So it's the most, or the business, it's in Algeria running only on the capital, and less than when we talk on other cities. It's just few. Blida we have 3k, Naba, Oran, Boumerdès, Tipaza, Bijaya, Sitif. Anyway, and we have here the number of ads by categories, which are those who put advertisements in these websites, which category these advertisements are. So we have immovable, immobilier, and computer, informatics, electronic. We have services. The majority are immovable. Immovable, this category is all about houses, renting houses, and so on. Okay, and here as we see the progress by time, we have from 2012 till 2021, and it's the number of ads by time. We have in 2012 only 52, and look, it's go 300, 400, 6,000 in 2019, and in 2020 we have 31. Of course, this is not 100% correct. It's just because some ads may be deleted by the websites, and but we can simulate what happened. Yeah, we can understand something from this data. And also I put number of views by city. Alger, and the capital of course, always have the most views. I have 143 million viewer, and we have Blida with 9 million, Bijaya 8 million, Tipaza 6 million, Oran with 6, and breakdown till I think bird, maybe bird, it's but it's my state, that's why I'm looking for it. We have only 1 million, approximately about 2 million. Yeah, okay, viewers. Yeah, that's good. And number of views, of course, by category. Always we see like immovable, those related with houses has a lot of viewers. Okay, so now let's check something. Let's, for example, select from here only Algeria, and let's select Algiers, the capital, and see what happened. We see in Algiers we have the number of ads in immovable, about 23k, and informatics we have 7K breakdown till 006. Okay, and the number of viewers, it's 1/3 of course, and like we see the line, it's 20 and breakdown 20, 21. People are less publishing on these websites, and this website is gonna die because they don't care about customers, of course. And number of views by category. Okay, so let's see, for example, let's see boards, for example. Yeah, look, in boards, this is what we have. It's different. In boards we have a lot of ads about materials and equipment. Yeah, and informatics, of course. For example, if you want to invest in board, you need to think about these two categories. You need to invest in material and equipment, and if you invest in informatics also, it's gonna be a good thing. So you see, and yeah, when we see the progress by time, all the customers are left in, or more interacting with these websites anymore, because for example there is marketplace, and it's give a lot of flexibility than Ouedkniss. Actually, Ouedkniss is, when I just check the architecture for collecting the data from it, it's very simple, basic websites. You have the stores, and the stores are defined by IDs, and the IDs are just sequential numbers. So, and every stores have pages, and every store have ads, of course. That's it. Yeah, it's very simple. They don't have enough data, and they should the team of Ouedkniss, they should to work on this, yeah, to improve the flexibility, the productivity of the website. Okay, anyway, also where we have, okay, let's for example choose immovable, or let's choose okay, electronics. Let's choose electronics and see what happens. Okay, electronics, of course, always just the majority of category, the majority of advertisers are in Algeria, then Bleda, Bombardier, Setif, and so on. So yeah, and if we check also, yeah, as you see, it's very basic, very basic dashboards, because we don't have a lot of we don't have such great data from these websites. Yeah, it's very basic. So what I want to say is that they really should work on these websites, and because they have a lot of how we say, they have a lot of customers. That if they care, or if the team of Ouedkniss care about their customers, maybe they will be like, if we see the line here, maybe we grow up another more time. But I think 2023, no one will use these websites anymore. Yeah, even if it's the first websites or the top one websites in Algeria, always we have problem with data. Oh, let's check, for example, Setif. Yeah, it's where I born. Okay, in Setif also we have immovable, we have yeah, PSD Tashi. I don't know how to say this in English. It's material for vehicles. Yeah, like if you need to change something in your vehicles or something, you need to go to this. Yeah, it's material for vehicles in general. You see, it's when we choose different cities, we have different categories. Each city are famous with I don't know, with a unique or a category, a different category. Let's, for example, let's see Mastalan, for example. It's too small. Yes, مستغنم. In مستغنم, oh look, in مستغنم, for example, we have the majority is electronics, and you see. So yeah, what we can understand a little bit is we can, for example, invest in some of the cities. We can understand well what's the city operate. For example, if we talk about Mustagana, we have electronics, yes, immovable and so on. In Annaba, for example, in Annaba we have, look, we don't have anything. We have only immovable, those things related to renting house, selling houses. Okay, and for example, if we go to Oran, we have immovable, a little bit informatics, and so on. So yeah, that's very short. Yeah, very basic presentation, and I just want to share with you because I know that we don't have data sets in Algeria, but yeah, this make me like a little bit proud. We have data set in Algeria, you see. So yeah, I hope that in the future, uh, how you say, companies and governments start using or start this the DG. Always I have problem with this word, the DG shit, the digitalization. I don't know. I will do not repeat it. Okay, you got me right, I think. Yeah. So hopefully they will care about this problem, so we can then analyze data and give insights to our country. Hopefully. Anyway, was a short video, but the details, how do I scrap the data and how I pre-process it, I will leave it in my GitHub repository. You can check it, and the data sets, of course, I will also leave it in the description. It's on Kaggle. So if you want to, there is two data sets. The first one is with 50 megabyte, I think, and the second one, after I process it, it's about 7 mega, yeah, approximately. Anyway, yeah, hopefully maybe you will use it in some of your projects, or maybe you can get another insight than me. Yeah, you can just check it, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.